Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked what is the natural logarithm, what is the common logarithm, and to sketch both of the graphs of those functions on a common set of axes. So the difference between the natural and common logarithm is their base. The natural logarithm, ln x, versus the common logarithm, log of x, with no base listed. The difference here is the base. So the natural log, ln, is log base e of x. And the common logarithm is log base 10 of x. And if we set these equal to some y value, where for any particular x you're going to have a y, then we know that e to the y equals x because of the relationship of the logarithm, right? This is just the standard definition of a logarithm. The base to whatever the logarithm is equal to the value that the logarithm takes on. So in graphing these, they are based on the same function, right? The logarithm, but they have different bases. So I think it's helpful to graph these, not by hand, but in a graphing calculator. You can see here we have it pulled up on Desmos. Blue is the natural logarithm, and in red is the common logarithm. And we can see two key differences. The first is that they both go through, two key commonalities. The first is that they go through the point 1, 0. As x goes to infinity, they both go off to positive infinity, and as x approaches 0, they both go off to negative infinity. The difference is the rate at which they do that. So the common logarithm with a larger base increases more slowly and decreases more slowly. The natural logarithm increases quicker with a smaller base. So that is the relationship between the bases and what actually shows up on the graph. And it might be the opposite of what you're thinking, because the lower the base, the greater it's going to increase.